Good afternoon, students. In today's period, we read the chapter Living and Non-Living Things. So, for that, we need the textbook. So, all of you take out your textbook and open page number 1. Lesson number 1, Living and Non-Living Things. You know, plants are and plants and animals are living things. Plants and animals need air, water and food to live. Plants do not move from one place to another. Most animals move from one place to another. You will learn about living things, non-living things. Now, open your page number 2. Living things are different from non-living things in many ways. Living things need food and water to live. Animals need food and water to live. They obtain food and water from their surroundings. Some animals such as parrots, goats, deer and cows eat only plants. Animals such as spiders, owls, snakes and tigers eat other animals as food. Foxes, bears and sparrows eat both plants and animals. Plants also need food. Most plants make their own food in their leaves. Plants also need water to live. They take in water from the soil through their roots. Did you know? In most cactus plants, leaves are reduced to spines and food is made by the green fleshy stem. Non-living things do not need food and water. Now students, open your page number 3. Living things need air, sunlight and warmth to live. Animals such as dogs, snakes, monkeys and birds breathe through lungs. All of us breathe through lungs. Frogs live both in water as well as on land. When on land, they breathe through their lungs. When in water, they take in air from the water through their skin. Fish have gills. They take in air present in water through their gills. Insects breathe air through tiny holes present on their bodies. Plants take in air through tiny holes called stomata present on their leaves. Most living things also need sunlight and warmth to live. Did you know lungfishes live in the lakes of Africa, South America and Australia? They have lungs. Non-living things do not need air, sunlight and warmth. Living things move. Living things move on their own. Non-living things cannot do so. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and water to escape from enemies and to return to their shelters. All insects have 6 legs. They use their legs to move. Most insects have wings and can fly. Now open your page number 4. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Most birds use their wings to fly and legs to walk. Water birds such as ducks and swans have web feet. They help them to swim. Some birds such as ostriches, penguins and kiwis cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. They have strong legs to walk and run. Snakes do not have limbs. They move by sliding. Most snakes can swim. Mammals are animals with hair on their bodies. Mammals that live on land have four limbs. They move with the help of their limbs. Some mammals such as otters, dolphins and seals can swim. Did you know corals and sea cucumbers are sea animals? They do not move from one place to another. Do plants move? Plants do not move from one place to another, but they move their body parts. Many plants fold up their leaves when the sun sets. The touch me not plant closes its leaves when touched. In sunflower plants, the flowers move in the direction of the sun. Now open your page number 5. Living things need a suitable place to live. All living things need a suitable place to live. Coconut trees, for example, grow in warm regions close to the sea. Apple trees grow well in cold regions. Wild asses live in dry deserts, whereas cheetah live in warm open grasslands. Polar bears, Arctic foxes, and penguins live only in the cold polar regions. Some animals, such as sparrows and crows, live everywhere. Living things grow. Plants grow throughout their lifetime. Animals grow in size only during the early part of their lives. Now, non-living things do not grow. For example, stones, books and toys do not grow. Did you know? Butterfly develops inside a structure called pupa. It comes out of the pupa as a fully grown butterfly and does not grow in size after that. Now open your page number 6. Living things produce young ones. Animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Insects, frogs, fish, snakes, lizards and birds lay eggs. Animals such as mice, cats, dogs, cows, deer, lions and tigers give birth to young ones. Many kinds of plants produce fruits with seeds. New plants grow from seeds. Non-living things do not produce new things like themselves. Living things give out waste products. A living organism works all the time. Its body performs many functions. While the body works, it produces several waste products. Waste is harmful to a living organisms, which is why all kinds of living organisms remove waste from their body. Non-living things do not give out waste products. Now open your page number 7. Did you know? Many trees produce gum. Gum is a waste removed by the tree. Living things respond to stimuli. All living things respond to stimuli. Anything that causes a response in a living thing is a stimulus. Sunlight, for example, is a stimulus that makes the leaves of certain plants open. The opening and closing of leaves is a response. The smell of sugar attracts ants. The smell of sugar in this case is a stimulus, and the movement of ants towards sugar is the response. Non-living things do not respond to stimuli. Living things have a lifespan. The time period for which a living thing lives is called its lifespan. Every living thing has a certain lifespan. Trees, for example, live for many years while herbs live for a few months. Living things die after their lifespan is over. Non-living things do not have a lifespan. Did you know the approximate lifespan of some living things? Housefly 1 month, marigold plant 5 months, dog 13 years, elephant 70 years, parrot 50 years, calffish 100 years, mango tree 100 years, giant tortoise 150 years, pine trees 300 years. Now students, open your page number 8. Key words. Hatch, to come out from an egg. Stomata, tiny pores present mostly on the leaves through which plants breathe. Remember, living things need air, food and water. Move, grow, produce young ones, give out waste products, respond to stimuli, have a lifespan. Non-living do not need air, food and water, do not move, do not grow, no young ones, do not give out waste products, do not respond to stimuli, do not have a lifespan. So, students, you have to read the lesson carefully. Have a nice day.